Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your hardware ID in Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, click on the start menu over here and type registry editor, right? So make sure to run as the admin. This gives you access to the system settings we need to edit. Locate HK local machine, click on it, go to software, under software, scroll down and click on Microsoft, all right? Under Microsoft, I want you to select cryptography. Click on it. And over here, you will find machine GUID. This is going to be your current hardware ID. So you can double click on it. As you can see, this is your ID. Next, I want you to open your browser and search for any GUID generator. So here, I have one UUIDgenerator.net. Okay. So just click on generate over here. You can just type one and it will give you one ID that you can use. Click on generate and then you can now easily copy this ID and paste it over this section which says value ID. So once you've successfully click on backspace and then paste the ID, you can now click on OK. This will automatically save the changes. You can now close everything. Then make sure to restart your computer. And that's it. After you have successfully rebooted your PC, your system now has a brand new hardware ID. I hope you found this video very helpful.